Now what we need to do is install two apps. So the first is the tracking. So click Apps, then Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Then go into the Shopify App Store. Here search for 17 Track. They've actually been sponsoring this video, but I would actually recommend them anyways, since I use them on my personal stores already. So click Add App. Then Install App. So once you're here, you're gonna go to Tracking page. Here you want to copy the link to the correct store. Now go back into Shopify, then Navigation and edit the main menu. Here you can paste your tracking link with the name, track your order. Now go back into 17 Track and click Customize. Okay, so normally the tracking page looked like this. And it does look very good. We can try to preview it on our store. Now the customer can choose between tracking number or order number plus email. So let's try to paste in a tracking number. So this is what the tracking results look like. And it looks so good. You can see a timeline, tracking information, order information, and product information. Now this is very good, but there's some things we need to change. In order information, there's this called origin, which is where the product ships from. Here it says China, so we gotta remove that. Also, the carrier is CJ, and when people click on CJ, they go to their website. And people can instantly see that this is a dropshipping store. So we also gonna remove that. So let's go back into the settings. Here we gotta go to tracking results, then under tracking info, click hide carrier info. Then the carrier badge is gone. Now go to order info and click hide all origin. Now people can't see that it ships from China. Last thing we gotta do is go to colors and change the color to our store color. Now all the things are changed, so let's click Save. And now we can preview it. Now it looks way more branded. Also, if we paste a tracking number, we can see that CJ is gone and the origin is gone. Now we can remove the Powered by 17 Track by simply contacting them. In the dashboard, you can see a timeline over your current shipments and their status. Then in shipments, you can see each order in more detail. You can also add buyer protection for less than $1. Now remember, all this is free until 200 orders, which is crazy. Definitely a must-have app, and it saves you so much time in customer service complaints.